Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to export or save one row as text file with Kutools for Excel. Normally we can save a worksheet as a separate text file easily, but how to export and save a single row as text file in Excel? Kutools for Excel's export range to file utility can save a range as a text file, CSV file or HTML files. Therefore, we can apply this utility to export an entire row as a text file in Excel easily. Select the entire row that you will save as a text file and click on the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbox and Sheets group, click on the Import and Export drop-down list and click on the Export Range to File feature. In the Opening Export Range to File dialog box, check the Unicode text option and then click the Browse button behind the Save Directory box. In the popping up dialog box, select a directory for exporting the file. Click the OK button. And if you would like to open the text file after saving successfully, you can check the Open the file after exporting option in the Export Range to File dialog box. And if you need to save multiple rows as individual text files, you have to repeat these steps many times to save each row as an individual text file. Click the OK button and in the popping out Export Range to File dialog box, specify a name for the file and click the OK button. And as you can see, the file is exported as a text file. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.